Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech hassles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to use Mastercard on Google Pay. If you've got a Mastercard and want to make your payments faster and more secure, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android or iOS device. If you don't, head to your App Store, download it for free, and sign in with your Google account. This is your gateway to seamless digital payments. Once you're logged in, open the app and tap on your profile icon or the settings menu, usually in the top right corner. Look for the Payment Methods or Add a Card option. This is where the magic happens. Now, select Add a Card and choose Mastercard from the list. You'll need to enter your card details carefully. That's your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. Don't worry, Google Pay uses top-notch security to keep your info safe. After entering the details, Google Pay might ask you to verify your card. This could involve a small test transaction or a one-time code sent to your phone. Just follow the prompts. It's quick and ensures everything's legit. Once verified, your Mastercard will be ready to use. Now, for the fun part, making a payment. Open Google Pay. Select your Mastercard as the payment method if it's not set as default, and choose where you want to pay, whether it's in a store, online, or through an app that supports Google Pay. Just hold your phone near the payment terminal or confirm the transaction on screen. Boom, done. A quick tip. Always keep your Google Pay app updated to avoid any glitches, and double-check that your Mastercard is active and has sufficient funds. If you run into issues, like a declined card, contact your bank first. There you have it, folks. Using your Mastercard on Google Pay is straightforward and super convenient. It saves time and adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.